Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to play music in Discord quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to discord.com. Click Login and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up. Next, navigate to the homepage of Discord, where you'll see all your servers, friends, and messages. On the left side, click on the server where you want to play music. Once inside the server, go to Server Settings by clicking the small gear icon, then click on App Directory, which is where you can add apps and bots to your server. In the search bar, type Greenbot and press Enter. Click on Greenbot from the results, then select Add App or Invite to Server. This will add the bot to your server. Now, Greenbot is ready to play music. You can use various commands found on its support page or documentation to start streaming music for you and your friends. And that's it. You've successfully set up music in Discord and can now enjoy tunes while gaming or hanging out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.